All right, so we hear the term AI thrown around all the time, right? But what if I told you that the AI in your phone and the AI you see in the movies are like two totally different species? Well, today we're going to break down that exact difference, the AI we have right now versus the AI we dream about for the future. And it's a really important question, isn't it? Because think about it. The AI that suggests your next show to binge watch and, a self-aware robot from a sci-fi blockbuster, they couldn't be further apart. One is this super specialized tool we use every single day, often without even realizing it. And the other? Well, that's still pretty much just the stuff of dreams. Yeah, exactly. See, to really wrap your head around AI, you gotta know that it's not just one big thing. It's actually split into different types, and it's all based on what they can do, their capabilities. Understanding this is, honestly, the key to figuring out where AI is today and where it might be headed. So really, there are two main categories, two big players on the field. On one side, you have narrow AI, which some people call weak AI. And on the other side, you've got general AI, also known as strong AI. Pretty much every single AI system you can think of fits into one of these two buckets. Okay, let's kick things off with the one that's already everywhere. I mean, it's all around us. The AI we use constantly. Let's meet the specialist of the AI world, narrow AI. So what exactly is it? Well, to put it simply, narrow AI is a master of doing one thing and one thing only. It's an AI that's been designed and trained for a single, specific, dedicated task. And it does that task incredibly well. But, and this is the most important part, it absolutely cannot do anything outside of that very narrow programming. You're probably using it right now. Just think about your day-to-day life. That voice assistant on your phone, that's narrow AI. The recommendation system that knows exactly what movie you want to watch next. Yep, narrow AI. The face recognition that unlocks your screen. You guessed it. Even the navigation app that helps you dodge traffic. Every single one of these is a perfect, real-world example of narrow AI at work. Here's a fantastic way to picture it. Think of a world-class chef. They can whip up the most amazing Michelin star meal you've ever had. It's pure genius in the kitchen. But you're not going to hand them a wrench and expect them to fix your car engine, right? That's narrow AI in a nutshell. An absolute virtuoso, but only in its one specific field. Okay, so if narrow AI is the specialist, what's on the other side of the coin? Well, let's talk about the all-rounder of the AI world, general AI. Now, this is the one that really captures our imagination. This is the stuff of science fiction. General AI, sometimes called AGI for artificial general intelligence, it's a theoretical kind of AI that could think, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can. We're talking about problem solving on a human level. But what would that even look like in practice? Well, a general AI could understand really complex, abstract ideas. It could reason its way through problems it's never seen before. And maybe most importantly, it could learn and adapt to completely new situations on the fly. It's about genuine understanding, not just running a program it was given. But here comes the big reality check. And this is probably the most important thing to remember from this whole explainer. General AI does not exist yet. Seriously, right now it is purely theoretical. It's kind of the holy grail that AI researchers are chasing, but it's something you'll only find in movies and books, not in your pocket. So let's go back to our analogy. If narrow AI is that specialist chef, what's general AI? Well, the best comparison is the human brain itself. I mean, think about it. Our brains aren't just programmed for one single thing. We can learn and master a massive range of different tasks, everything from art and language to math and science. All right, so we've met our two contenders, the specialist and the all-rounder. And now let's put them side by side and really break down the key differences. Okay, let's look at this. First up, task ability. It's pretty clear, right? Narrow AI is a one-trick pony, designed for one job. General AI, on the other hand, would be the ultimate jack of all trades. How about flexibility? Well, narrow AI is super rigid. It can't stray from its path. General AI would have to be incredibly flexible and adaptive. And of course, the big one, does it exist today? For narrow AI, it's a huge yes. But for general AI, it's a firm no. So, what does all of this mean for us, here and now? Let's shift gears and talk about the AI of today and what this big difference means for the future. Here's a key takeaway for you. The next time you see some big headline about an AI breakthrough, whether it's discovering a new drug or making financial predictions, You can be almost certain they're talking about a very powerful, very specialized form of narrow AI. It's the quiet engine that's really driving so much of our modern world. And when I say it's everywhere, I'm not exaggerating. Just how much of the AI in use today is narrow AI? We're talking like 99.9%. It's staggering. The entire world of technology that we rely on every single day is built on the back of these specialized single-task AIs. But looking to the future, that dream of general AI is what fuels so much research and innovation. And if, and believe me, that is a massive if, we ever actually get there, it wouldn't just be a small step forward. It would be a complete game changer for humanity. I mean, it could revolutionize everything from curing diseases to how our entire society functions. So let's boil it all down to the crucial point. The AI we have today is narrow AI. It's an incredibly powerful tool that's a genius at specific tasks. The AI we're dreaming about for tomorrow is general AI, the super ambitious quest to build a machine with the same kind of broad, flexible intelligence that we have. And that leaves us with one final fun question to chew on. We know general AI is still science fiction, for now. But just imagine for a second it wasn't. If a true general AI came online tomorrow, what would be the very first thing you would ask it to do? Seriously, would you give it a huge task, like solving climate change, or something creative, like composing a masterpiece? Or would you just, ask it to finally tell you where you left your keys? It's definitely something to think about.